Imagine being able to walk into any room, look at any person, and instantly know what they're thinking. Not because you can read minds, but because you understand the hidden psychological signals their body exposes every single second. What if you could tell when someone is lying, when they're secretly attracted to you, when they feel threatened, or when they're pretending to agree with you? Today, you're about to learn 12 powerful psychological tricks used by investigators, behavioral specialists, and communication experts to read anyone without a single word spoken. These aren't parlor tricks. These are real human patterns built into our biology. Let's begin. Eyes don't lie, even when people do. Psychologists call the eyes the emotional dashboard of the human brain. You see, people can choose their words, but they cannot fully control their pupils, their microglances, or what catches their attention. Here's what to look for. Long, steady eye contact equals trust, engagement, confidence. Eyes wandering around a room equals low interest or emotional disconnect. Rapid blinking or tightening equals stress or anxiety. Dilated pupils equals excitement, attraction, or curiosity. Constricted pupils equals discomfort, dislike, or suspicion. A 2013 study found that our pupils expand when we emotionally connect with something and shrink when our mind rejects it. Lie detection trick. After someone finishes speaking, don't respond immediately. Simply look into their eyes. If they suddenly glance away, dart their eyes, or seem restless, their brain is searching for an escape route, a classic sign of deception. Before anyone speaks a word, the very first clue of their personality often comes from their hands. A handshake is a psychological signature. 3 types to watch. Firm but controlled grip, confidence, grounded personality. Weak, limp grip, insecurity, low enthusiasm or nervousness. Overly strong grip, dominant seeking or compensating behavior. A handshake isn't just touch. It sets the emotional tone of the entire interaction. Bonus: watch their eyes and smile during the handshake. A genuine smile and steady eye contact equals warm, open energy. A forced smile or avoiding gaze equals emotional distance. How close someone stands to you isn't random. It's psychology. Humans have something called the proximity zone, usually around 18 inches. When someone enters this zone, they're sending a message. If someone slowly leans closer, they feel comfortable around you. They enjoy your presence. They trust you, or they are physically attracted to you. If someone steps back, they feel pressured. They're not emotionally aligned. They want distance, mentally or physically. Remember, people move their body where their mind wants to be. Nodding may look simple, but it's one of the most revealing behaviors in psychology. A 2014 study showed slow, spaced nods equals real agreement. Fast, repeated nods equals fake understanding or impatience. Minimal nodding equals low engagement. So the next time someone nods while you're speaking, ask yourself, are they agreeing, or are they just trying to end the conversation? Crossed arms are one of the most misunderstood body signals. People think it always means anger, but psychological research shows it can mean many things. Self-protection, feeling judged, shyness, discomfort, emotional withdrawal, stress, feeling threatened. Arms create a physical barrier that mirrors a mental barrier. If someone crosses their arms during a conversation, your goal isn't to confront them. It's to change the emotional temperature, shift the topic, lighten the mood, or offer reassurance. Watch how their arms slowly relax as trust builds. Some people don't communicate through words. They communicate through nervous energy. Fidgeting is the body's way of releasing emotional pressure. Common signs include constant foot tapping, playing with clothing, touching hair, adjusting glasses, twisting fingers, shuffling in the seat. This doesn't always mean they're scared. Sometimes they're overwhelmed, bored, distracted, or simply uncomfortable. A calm person is still. An anxious person is restless. A person's walk is their psychological runway. Confident walk, long strides, chest open, head up, arms swinging naturally. Occupy space equals high self-esteem plus emotional stability. Low confidence walk, short steps, shoulders down, arms stiff, head lowered. equals anxiety, withdrawal, or fear. Movement reveals mindset. When the mind shrinks, the body shrinks with it. There comes a moment in everyone's healing journey where something shifts. You realize your fear isn't stronger than you. Your past doesn't define you. Your pain didn't break you. It shaped you. You stop running from your emotions and start listening to them. You stop avoiding discomfort and start growing through it. This is the moment you finally step into your life instead of surviving it. If you take nothing else from this video, remember this. You are not broken. You are not weak. You are not behind. You are becoming. Healing is not a switch. It is a journey. The fact that you're watching this means you're already on the path. Give yourself patience. Give yourself compassion. Give yourself time. And most importantly, do not stop. A healed version of you is waiting on the other side.